Hey guys, so this is part 2 of the MVP Nail Designs collections that I purchased. Right here you'll see me putting away the first collection, which is Opalite. That'll be in part 1. So this collection that I'm getting ready to swatch was one of the collections that I could not wait to get into. And this is her Summertime Fireworks collection. Beautiful reflective acrylic powders. I mean, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the swatches. I will be going in the order of blue, green, gold, rose gold, black, and silver. Thanks for watching. So guys, I had to come back. I just wanted to emphasize to you all, these glitters are reflective glitter. So when your flash is on, it's when you can see the glitters. The camera doesn't do this collection any kind of justice in natural lighting. But these, she always say that her powders are one coat coverage, and for this collection, I can attest that these are a one coat coverage powder. I mean, when I was putting the powder on these swatch sticks, I was like, oh no, I don't want to use too much of my acrylic powder, because I mean, it didn't take nothing but just a little tap of that monomer onto that powder, and it just soaked up that monomer, and it just laid very well, smooth, just like butter. So if you haven't checked out MVP Nails Designs, Gigi, if you haven't checked her out on Instagram or here on YouTube, go over to her page and check her out. On Instagram, she is _MVP Nail Designs, and on YouTube, she is MVP Nail Designs. She's always reviewing the collections that she works so hard on and giving first looks and shows of what her collections are. So go over there and check her out. Now, I'm not sure how long she'll have this collection, because once each collection is sold out, there is no more, unless you specifically hit her up and she's willing to create you a batch. But yes, I really enjoyed this collection. This beautiful green here. I mean, all the colors were so amazing. But I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you finish watching and enjoying. But yes, go check Gigi out. the swatches for all of the powders that I swatched, but I want y'all to see it when I turn on the flash. Beautiful, beautiful colors. I couldn't resist. I had to do it. I needed to see what it looked like with the flash on. And I hope this gives you an idea of what the summertime firework collection is all about. Go check Gigi out. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice evening, ladies.